Niamtu. When it comes to correcting an issue that's prompting bullying, the younger the patient is, the better.
We like to treat these children before they enter school. So it's not uncommon that I'm doing 4 or 5-year-olds. And the reason is bullying, it's been shown psychologically to have the ability to affect their self-esteem or body image for the rest of their life.
What do you think? You happy?
But her big reveal says it all.
I was so happy.
Okay. If your child was being bullied for their looks, would you consider plastic surgery?
Well, I mean, it's a loaded question, right? Because you're not going to, like, change your kid's whole face or something like that. And I think first I would try to encourage them to love themselves the way they were. You know, but it's not a perfect world, and sometimes that's not realistic. And if it was something small, my dad had that where his ears stuck out, and he just had, like, a small procedure to, they kind of, like, pin them back. Mm-hmm. And it's really not that big of a deal. It would have to...
But why did he do it? And he did it as an adult?
No, I think he was probably in his teens. Oh. But I think if it came from my child, right? So for me, I would say you're beautiful, you're perfect, you're made the way you're supposed to be. But if they said, I can't take the bullying, I can't take it anymore, can we fix it? Then I think it's okay, it's a small procedure, and look how much joy. I think it would probably be a very joyous thing.
I think that if you've got a child that's very sensitive and not very outgoing to be able to deal with it, then I would do it, because it can, on the other hand, cause a lot of mental damage to a child.
I think there's no perfect answer. You have to weigh the harm of each one. There's the harm of doing it and the harm of not doing it, and you have to decide which causes less harm.
Right. See, my girlfriend, who I grew up with, her daughter was born with what's known in the medical profession as a strawberry patch on her face. Yeah. She had one here, but the hair covered it, but she had one right here. And my girlfriend said, you know, when she's old enough, when it's safe to get it removed, I'm getting it removed because I'm not sending my child to school getting bullied. And she said to me, we grew up together, she goes, you remember how mean they were in junior high? I said, yeah, I do. And I totally, for a minute, I took pause, but then I totally supported her. I was like, yeah.
Yeah.
And I don't even think, her daughter's 10 now, I don't even think the daughter had it removed when she was so young. I don't think she even remembers that she even had it. So it's a tough call. Yeah. We'll be right back.